Thank you. Okay. What is the most mind-blowing or coolest thing that you've learned how to do since starting this course?
One of the really coolest things I think was the whole course being like on the computer. It's like it doesn't really tell you directly what to do, but it doesn't make it very indirect. It's like in the middle. It's like it tells you to add like an H1 title, and then that seems like easy to do, and later on it like builds on more harder. So I feel like the way that like it gives some good tutorials that like really match the coursework are really cool. It's like um it feels kind of like a puzzle piece, like fitting it in perfectly, and it turns out good.
How can you implement your own creativity and ideas into the different projects?
I can implement my own ideas into different projects through the kind of baseline of what the course gives me. It tells me how I can like start off something, and then based off of that I can go with however I like it, and I feel like that really works, and it, it makes it turn out good.
When you're working on these projects, do you feel like a student doing homework or like a professional working in the industry, and why?
When doing these projects, most of the time when I'm running out of time or in a rush, I would feel like a student doing homework, because it's usually like the rush or like the not enough focus on the work that I have sometimes. But when I really have time and dedication towards like doing the specific thing in this class, I feel like really professional, because it goes really perfect, and I like the way everything just like is laid out in the coding.
How has this course changed how you feel about your future career?
I have never really completely given a thought about my future career, but this course gave me an idea about being a website designer, because it's a really good course and I've liked it so far, and I think I might give it a thought to do it in real life, but so far it's been good that I'm thinking about it.
Has this course made you feel more prepared for the real world?
It kind of has, and I like it because it tells you your mistakes, and it kind of leads you through it, and I feel like that could be useful in real life.
What was one of the most fun projects you've completed in doing this course, and what did you have to do for it?
One of the most fun projects I completed in this course was indie techno coders and indie nice sounds, because it wasn't just a simple project, it was like a real project, like in real life, taking it from a client and what they tell you to do, and implementing that into like actual work, and creating more than one page through like coding. It even like allows us to create a contact us page and more about the company page. So it's like when you get information from a customer and you have to put it to work like in real life, but not completely.
What was the most challenging thing to learn while taking this course?
I think the most challenging thing was like remembering the coding pattern for each and every um, result. There was like many ways you could mess up a code, and I think that was one of the challenging part. But at the same time, if I mess it up, I can go back and look at it and fix my problems. But yeah, that was the most challenging part.
Have you had any past experiences that you've applied to taking this course?
I did not have any past experiences with coding. This is actually my first time coding, and I never knew it would be this easy or hard at the same time. It goes, it's as if like a roller coaster. It goes really hard sometimes and goes really easy. Just, it really depends.
Um, is there anything, okay, hold on. Are there any tips and tricks that you've started to use while coding?
There isn't really any tips and tricks because this really is my first time coding, and throughout the coding, I've like seen it kind of complete my own code. Sometimes I like just open the bracket and it like closes it for me or something. I feel like those are like really fun stuff, and it's good that it has such function because it really saves time and makes it easier to complete the code.